Hello everyone, welcome to online classes of Saraswati English Academy Bhadrajun. Now this is our class 6th and subject math, and our exercise number is 3.7. So our first question of the video is question number 8th. Up to the question number 7th I have already taught you in our very previous video. Okay, our question number 8th is what? Find the least number. Find the least number. Find the least number. Okay, question number 8 is find the least number which when divided by find the least number. Okay, question number 8 is what? Find the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18. 6, 15 and 18. Leave remainder 5 in each case. 18 leave remainder 5 in each case. Okay, leave remainder 5 in each case. So what we will do is find the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18, leave remainder 5 in each case. Okay, just we are told about the least number, and the least number indicates always LCM. Okay, or the least number always indicates the LCM. So we have to find out the LCM of these three numbers, which are 6, 15 and 18. So we will go for finding the LCM. LCM of 6, 15 and 18 is what? LCM of 6, 15 and 18 is equals to, what we have to do is 6, 15, 18. 6, 15, 18. Okay, so now what we will do is we will just divide it by 2. Okay, because the 6 is given and 18 is also given, both numbers are divisible by 2, because unit place digit of 6 is 6 and 18 is also 8. Okay, and whenever unit place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the number will be divided by 2. Okay, so we will divide it by 2. So 2 3 is 6, now this is 15, and 2 9 is 18. Okay, now we will go for 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15, 3 3 is 9. Okay, again by 3, because 3 is coming. 1 5 and 3 1 is 3. Now 5 is coming, so we will go for dividing it by 5. Okay, this is. Now what we will do is LCM is what? Our LCM equals to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay, 2 into 3 into 3 is 9 into 5. 5 2 is 10. 10 into 9 is our what? 90. 10 into 9 is 90. So what we will do is 10 into 9 is our 90. Now what we will get is, or what we will got is, here this is our 90, and because of our 90, here this is our 90, and because of our 90, we can say that 90 is 100% divisible by 6, 15 and 18 both, by all the three. Okay, but we are not asked for dividing exactly, we are asked for leave remainder 5. Okay, so the number which will leave remainder 5 on dividing by 6, 15 and 18 will be 5 more than 90. Okay, so our required number is, required number equals to 90 plus 5 means 95. This is our answer. Okay, so now from this day and onwards I will give you some homework, and if you are not able to do that, then you can make comment. We will make a separate video for solving that question. Okay, so what we will do is we will go for our question number next first, and next question I am just thinking for leaving you as a homework. Okay, what is our question number 9th? Our question number 9th is find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by this one. Find the smallest find the smallest 4-digit number. Find the smallest 4-digit number. 4-digit number which is find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. Okay. Now this question I am just leaving for you as your homework. What you have to do is, first we have to write the smallest 4-digit number, and our smallest 4-digit number is 1000 because 4 digits are there, and the just previous number will be of 9 digits, which is 999. Okay, so this number is the smallest 4-digit number. After that, which is divisible by these three. So what we have to do is, we have to calculate the LCM of these three, and after that we will divide 1000 by that LCM, and we have to add some number in this one. Okay, and our answer will be 1152, near about 1152. Okay, if there will be any problem, then you can ask. I will just solve it. Okay, so now this question I am leaving for your homework, because this is just same as our previous question, and I have solved a number of questions on this technique in our previous exercises. Okay, so our next question is question number 10th. And what is our question number 10th? Our question number 10th is, find the LCM of following numbers. 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 Okay, what we have to do is, number 10th is, find the LCM of following numbers. Our part A is 9 and 4. Part B is what? Our part B is 12 and 5. Okay, our part C is what? Part C is 6 and 5. Okay, our part D is what? Part D is 15 and 4. Okay, now observe a common property in the obtained LCMs. Is LCM the product of two numbers in each case? Okay, so we will discuss this one also. Now we will go for solving it, and our first one is what I am just seeing over here. Find the LCM of following numbers. Okay, we have to find out the LCM of 9 and 10. What we will do is, we will just take these two numbers over here. Okay, this is our solution of part A, which is 9 and 4. Now what we will do is, we will take the LCM. So 9 and 4. Now we will divide this one by 2 first. 9 is not divisible by 2. 9 will leave as it is, and 2 2s are 4. After that also 2. So this is 9 and this is 1. Okay, after that 3 3s are 9 and this is 1. Now again by 3, 1 and 1. Okay, now what we will do is, our LCM is what? LCM equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. Our LCM is what? 9 4s are 36. Just write down, and I am going to rub our question number 9 for making some space. Okay, our question number 9th is what? Our question number 10th and second part is what? Question number 10th and second part is 12 and 5. So I am just going to rub this one also, or I am just trying over here. If space is less, then I will just rub some other questions. Okay, so this is our 12 and 5. Now what we have to do is, we will divide by 2. 2 6 are 12 and 5 remained as it is. 2 3 are 6 and 5. 3 1 are 3 and 5. 5 1 and 1. Okay, this is our factorization. Now what we will do is, this is our factorization. Now we have to take the LCM. So LCM will be the multiplication of all. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. This is 2 to the 4 into 3 5 the 15 and 15 4 the 60. 60 is our answer. Okay, what is that? 60 is our answer. Now what we will do is our part A LCM was 36, which is the product of 9 and 4. Okay, so in our first case the condition is going to be true that in each case the LCM is exactly equals to the multiplication. So in first case LCM is exactly equals to multiplication of the two numbers. Okay, and in our second case, that what is that? 12 and 5. So in 12 and in case of 12 and 5, 12 5 is 60. So LCM is, in this case also LCM is exactly the product of the two given numbers. Okay, in our C, what is our C? C is 6 and 5. C is what? 6 and 5. Now what we will do is we will just take LCM of 6 and 5. So this is 2 3 is 6 and 2 3 is 6, and after that 2 by 2, 5 is not divisible. 3 1 is 3 and this is 5. After that 5 1 and 1. Okay, so 2 3 is 6, 5 is our LCM is what? Our LCM is 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3 is 6, 6 into 5 is 30. Now also our LCM is the product of the two given numbers. 6 5 are 30. Okay, now we will go for our part D. For solving our part D, which is 15 and 4. Now our LCM is what? We will divide by 2. This is 15 and 2 to the 4. Now again by 2. So this is 15 and this is 1. Okay, now by 3 5 is 15, and after that also by 5. This is 1 and 1. Okay, now our LCM is what? Our LCM equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. This is 2 to the 4 into 5 3 the 15 and 15 4 the 60 is our answer. In this case also the LCM is the product of the two given numbers. Okay, so in so many cases are there when the two numbers are co-prime. Actually the rule is, or the property is, when the two numbers are co-prime, means does not hold any number that is common. Okay, then our LCM will be the product of the two given numbers. So in this case also 9 and 4 are just two numbers which are, yes, which are co-prime. Okay, no factor is common in these two. In this case also no factor is common in 12 and 5. In this case also no factor is common in 6 and 5, and in the end in this case also no factor is common in 15 and 4. Hence in all the cases from A to B to C and D also no number is common in the two numbers, means all the numbers, all the pair of numbers are just co-prime. Hence the number or all the pairs of numbers share LCM, which is what? Which is the product of two given numbers. Okay, I am going to rub this and we will take our next question. Next question is what? Our next question is question number this is our exercise number 3.7 and our question number is 11th. What is our 11th question? Okay, so what is our question number 11th? Our question number 11th is find the LCM of the following numbers in which one number is the factor of other. Find the LCM of LCM of, find the LCM of the following numbers. Find the LCM of the following numbers. Find the LCM of the following numbers. Find the LCM. Okay, 11th question is find the LCM of the following numbers in which one number is the factor of other. Following numbers in which one number is the LCM. One number is the one. Actually, 11th one is find the LCM of the following numbers in which one number is the factor of the other. In which one number is the factor of other. One number is the factor of other. Okay, in 11th question other. So RA is what? 5 and 20. RB is what? 6 and 18. Okay, RC is what? 12 and 48. And RD is what? 9 and 45. Okay, 9 and 45. What do you observe in result obtained? Okay, so find the LCM. Now these numbers are not actually 5 is a factor of 20 and the LCM will be the larger number. In this case also our 18 is 6 is the multiple of 8, 6 is a factor of 18 and 18 is a multiple of 6, hence the LCM will be 6. Okay, in this case also the larger number. In this case also our 18 is a multiple of 12. In this case also our 45 is a multiple of 9, hence in all the cases the greater number will be our answer. Okay, because the greater number will be LCM. Okay, so in our part A what we will do is 5 and 20 and we will take the LCM. Okay, you just try. I will start. Okay, so what is that? Listen, this is our part A and we have to just divide it by by 2 first. Okay, so 5 will not be divisible. Now this is 10, again by 2, then 5, and this is again 5, again by 5, this is 1 and 1. Tick. Got it. So our LCM is what? Our LCM equals to 2 into 2 into 5. This is 2 to the 4, 4, 5 is 20. Okay, now in our part B this is 6 and 18. Now what we will do is we will just 2 3 is 6 and 2 9 is 18. After that by 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, again by 3, this is 1 and again 1. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to find out the LCM. So our LCM is what? Our LCM is 2 into 3 into 3, 3 3 is 9, 2 is 18. Our LCM is 18. Okay, in our part C what we have to do is 12 and 48. We will divide it by 2 first. 2 6 is 12 and 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8. Okay, again by 2, 2 3 is and this is 12, again by 2, this is 3 and now this is 6, again by 2, this is 3 and this is 3, again by 3, this is 1 and 1. Okay, so now our LCM is what? Our this was our part B and this is our part C. So our LCM is what? Our LCM equals to 2 to the 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times. 2 into 2, 4 times into 3, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8, 2 to the 16, 16 3 is 48, 16 3 is 48, 48 is our answer. Okay, 48 is our answer, the greatest number or the biggest number in the two numbers. Okay, now I am going to just repeat this. After that I will go for further, or I hope you all understood. No problem will be there up to this part. Okay, and this is our last question of the exercise. After that we will start our next chapter, which is chapter number 4, some basic geometrical ideas. Okay, so our part D is what? Our part D is 9 and 45. We have to take the LCM of 9 and 45 in our part D. We will divide both by 3. So 3 3 is 9, and after that what we have to do is 3 1 is 3, and this was 4, so this is 15. 3 5 is 15. Okay, after that by 3 3 1 is 3, and 3 5. Listen, this is 3 3 is 9, and all divided 45 we will get 15. Okay, listen, actually 3 1 is 3, after that 1 is left, so this is 15. 3 5 is 15. Now again by 3 3 1 is 3, and 3 5 is 15. Now again by 5, this is 1 and again 1. Okay, now LCM is what? Our LCM is 3 into 3 into 5. So 3 3 is 9, 9 5 is 45. Again our 45 is the answer. Okay, so here we are observing that when the smaller number is a factor of the biggest number or the bigger number, then the bigger number is LCM and the smaller number is HCF. In all these 4 cases, HCF will be the smaller number, which is 5 6 12 and 9. Okay, let us move towards our next question, which is our exercise number, which is our chapter number 4. So this is exercise number 4.1. okay, now what we have to do is, our exercise number 4.1 is what? Okay, our exercise number 4.1 is question of first of exercise number 4.1. Use the figure to name. Okay, actually I am going to just make some definitions. First is our point. Our first definition should be a point. Okay, our geometry or anything starts with a point. Okay, point is no length is there in a point, no length, no width, and no height. Is there in a point. Okay, whenever we have to choose the minimum amount of anything, then we usually say this is point sized. Okay, because point is infinitesimal. इनफाइनाइटेसिमल मीन्स अति सूक्ष्म होता है पॉइंट कैसा होता है आपका? अति सूक्ष्म है ना, उससे फिर छोटा होना पॉसिबल नहीं है. दैट इज कॉल्ड इनफाइनाइटेसिमल. ओके, अ पॉइंट इज इनफाइनाइटेसिमल ऑलवेज, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो विजिबल दैट देयर इज नो लेंथ, नो विड्थ एंड नो हाइट. ओके, सो आवर पॉइंट इज व्हाट? आवर पॉइंट इज इनफाइनाइटेसिमल, and there will be no length, no width and no height. Okay, now let's move on towards our next question, which is our what? Question number first, exercise number 4.1, and our question number first is use the figure to name. Use the figure to name. Okay, all other things I will just make you understand in between the questions. Okay, use the figure to name, and our first one is, or A is 5 points. 5 points. I am going to just solve these. This is our figure, which is starts with what? This is D, This is E, that's O, this is actually O. Okay, this point is C and this is B. DEO, C and this is B. Okay, first is 5 points. Okay, so 5 points are there. This is point B, which is a point. This is C is a point, D is a point, E is a point, O is a point. So 5 points are, number first is, or I am going to write in a sequence, not numbering them. Okay, so our first one is point B, point C, point D, point E, and point O. Okay, I hope you all got it. And now all other questions I will do in our next video. Okay guys, till then, bye bye, take care, stay home, stay safe, and very necessary is there that you have to complete your homework on the time and comment that I have completed my homework, sir. Yes sir, no sir, what you have to got. If you are not getting, then you have to respond. Okay, thank you.